Many government agencies may not get the extra funding they asked for when they made their case before the National Assembly Budget and Appropriation Committee, as the government cites limited resources.
Chair Kimani Ichung'wa says the agencies will have to find ways to operate within allocated budgets amid concerns that the funding shortfalls may affect their operations, more so for the institutions tasked with fighting graft.
Out of the first group of government agencies that presented their budget policy statements before the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee of the National Assembly last week, 4 of them requested an additional 12.3 billion shillings in their budgets. The Judiciary and the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission that anchor the war on graft have requested additional funding amounting to 8.4 billion shillings to help them deliver on their mandate. But these extra resources they seek may be hard to come by. Chair of the National Assembly's Budget Committee, Kimani Ichung'wa, says the agencies may just have to live within their means and exercise prudence in the management of limited resources.
You must understand that resources are always limited, but our needs are forever unlimited. So what we ask all MDAs in government is to be able to rationalize and be able to prioritize what are priorities within their working programs. You don't have to do everything within one financial year.
EACC had asked for 6.1 billion shillings, but were allocated 2.9 billion shillings. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions wanted an extra 700 million shillings. These agencies driving the war on graft had raised concern that limited funding will derail the war on graft.
Governance and law and justice sector is one of the sectors in this country that we have ensured that we have put enough, not really enough, adequate resources to be able to support the fight against corruption.
The Office of the Attorney General and the Department of Justice had asked for an additional funding of 7.4 billion shillings. All the agencies had complained of poor staff remuneration, inadequate office space, and operating on a tight budget.
The challenge is on particular agencies to be to be able to rationalize their staffing needs, be able to know what areas do you need more staff and which people do you need to pay better than others to be able to retain good talent. So those are administrative challenges within MDAs, and they have to be able to deal with them.
IEBC had also asked for 3.9 billion shillings to settle its pending bills. Vincent Odur, NTV.